As a builder in today's market, I know that I need every advantage over the competition that I can get. As far as I'm concerned, the SawTek system is the ultimate advantage.
When somebody told me they'd seen this new saw, that it was going to change the future of framing, I have to admit, I was a little skeptical.
When I heard it's a Boise project, I figured Boise's been around a long time. If they're putting their name on it, it's probably something worth checking out.
When I heard this saw helped my crew work faster, with fewer mistakes, I said, you don't know my crew, they can screw up anything.
But then when we got our first bundle of Boise product cut with the SawTek process, everything I'd heard was true. It was amazing.
So my only question is, why didn't somebody think of this before?
The idea behind SawTek is pretty basic. We believe that we could, with today's technology, develop a computerized saw system that would take the guesswork out of the framing process.
Hey, as we were talking to builders out there, they were always telling us that they're having some trouble getting experienced laborers. So, we kind of asked ourselves, what can we do with a computer that can streamline the job and give these guys some help out there?
And at the same time, help them reach the next level of dependability and precision on every job.
So Boise put together a team that consisted of experience in framing and experience with computer technology.
And the result is the most amazing saw that you've ever seen.
SawTek is a computer-driven, robotically assisted table saw specifically used to cut Boise engineered wood products.
The SawTek system can be installed at the local lumberyard. They own it, they operate it and maintain it. It doesn't cost the builder anything.
This system will provide you custom ordered, precision cut beams and I-joists, and they'll deliver them to your site ready to be installed. In fact, for track builders, they have repeating house types, so it'll make it really easy.
And the pieces can be labeled with marks that correspond to the exact location on your placement plan.
Your framers just follow the numbers. They can't make a mistake. We can even mark the joist to specify where the hangers are and where the no-cut zones are.
And here's where it gets really cool. It has a built-in router that will allow you to put holes for your plumbing and HVAC exactly where you need them. The first step in the process is to enter your material list into the SawTek computer.
If your plans are done using BC Framer, we can send those files just with a touch of the button. That transfer happens immediately. You can either transfer using a wireless, or else you can put it on a disk and send it out to the computer. Either way you do it, you're going to get a seamless and a perfectly accurate transfer of this information to the saw.
Even if you didn't use BC Framer on your project, not a problem, because we can enter the information manually on both the length and hole locations in the computer.
Once you've confirmed the order, long lengths of EWP material is put on the in-feed table. From there, a powerful computer-driven trolley pushes the material to the saw for an exact cut.
Clamps are used to hold the product in place so that every cut is perfectly square.
The product then moves to the router and will cut any necessary mechanical or HVAC holes that you required.
Since the computer controls the precision, when these joists are put on location, these holes will match up within plus or minus 1/16 of an inch.
The inkjet printer then marks the specific job number that you want, the length of the product, and where it's going to be located on the final structure.
The markings are found at the top and the side so they can be identified at a single glance.
Then your product is bundled into job packs and delivered to the job site, ready to be installed immediately.
Well, with SawTek, even a young, fairly green crew can frame a house and have it come out like it was done by lifelong pros.
The blocking panels make installation a snap because there's no more measuring spacings on the plate.
Get those perfectly square joints. Pretty impressive.
It really cuts down on the amount of job site waste to dispose of.
So ask your local EWP dealer about SawTek.
I think these guys are really onto something. They've blown the competition away.
To be honest, I don't ever want to have to do another job without it.